'06 Chrysler 300C. Got 5.7 liter. And what we got done on it today still has factory converters. Customer brought in a 3-inch polished X pipe. Then we did full 3-inch all the way back. No mufflers, no resonators. All the way out straight 3-inch. What's how mean as hell.
2007 300C, 5.7 liter HEMI. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it comes with a factory X pipe. Then we did a suitcase delete in the middle and a rear muffler delete in the back, right there and right there, and two 4-inch tips right there and right there. There it is, right there. That's how you guys delete them. It's an SRT-8. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute.
Do it again. Got it to 110 decibels.